So for today, what we're going to do is just a very simple task. You might see all these little icons down on the screen. Some of you might know what they are. It's always best to know what they are before what we're going to do today, which was just remove them from the dock. When you do remove something from the dock, you can always put it back on again, so never fear. So what we're going to do, if you're on a Mac and you want to get rid of it and you've got a Mac mouse, just hold down the control key and then you click, and then you can go options and then remove from dock, and that's all there is to it. And the same way, if you've got a Microsoft mouse plugged into your Mac, you just use the right mouse button and then choose remove from dock that way. Very simple. If you wanted to add something like that back in, just go and find it on the launch pad up here by clicking down here, and you can just drag it back in there like that and remove it as again with a right click, remove from dock. And that's it for today for removing a icon from the dock.